Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by creating a notebook and the first section, sign into your Microsoft account, and ensure sync is on. Click Plus Notebook, give it a clear name, and choose OneDrive so changes follow you. This prevents version conflicts. Once done, add a section for the main topic and create an initial page. Make sure to title pages consistently. That helps search. This is the foundation. Notebooks contain sections. Sections contain pages. Get this structure right now to avoid messy notes later. Next, capture your content using the method that fits. Type for speed, ink for diagrams, or record audio for meetings. Use tags like to do and important to mark action items. Tags make follow-up efficient. Insert images, PDF, and tables, then drag and drop elements to visually group ideas. Once content is in, create internal page links and apply a template to maintain consistency across pages. Make sure to run a quick search to verify that tags and links resolve as you expect. Finish by reviewing and syncing everything. Click Sync Now and confirm the notebook updates on OneDrive and your other devices. Export or share pages when needed, and set permissions so collaborators can edit or view. If content looks out of date, close and reopen the notebook, then check your account's sign-in and available storage. These are the usual causes of sync failure. Finally, use Notebook Recycle Bin and version history to restore a lost page. That often solves the worst problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.